Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Now if you want to know how to use the action button, which is this one here, this is the button which tells you by default you can long press it to turn the sound on, or silent mode off and silent mode on. That's what the default thing is for this button. But if you want to change that, it's very easy to do. What you do is you go into settings here, and when you're in settings you need to scroll down until you see this one, action button. You click on that and this gives you the default for the action button. So currently it's on silent mode, but you can have it on focus, camera, visual intelligence, torch, voice memo, recognizing music through Shazam. You can have it translate for you. You can have it as a magnifier. But on the iPhone 17, there's new additions as well. So you can have it as controls. So if you choose a control, you can have it select any of these that you want to do. So if you want to set a timer, go to the calculator, or if you want to do things like the intelligence, any of the intelligence things you want to do, or if you want to turn airplane mode on and off with it, all different things that you can do on this button with that setting. You've also got a shortcut, so you can open or run your favorite app through that. You can have accessibility features added through that, and also you can set it to no action, so no matter what you do with it, it won't do anything at all. So I'm going to set it to my default, which is silent mode, and that's all you got to do. That is as easy as it is. Let me know down in the comment section what you think of that, and if you want to hear any more tips like this, don't forget to subscribe.